Okay, so here I am trying to organize my colored pencils. This is the best way to do it. So first, you red, orange, there's no yellow, but this is very close to yellow, as you can see. Yellow, green, blue, purple. This is also very close to purple. Okay, these two are very important since they are close to red and purple. So we will put this behind this before this. That way we can see all the differences. Oh no, sorry. This over here. So from light to dark. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the best way to organize colored pencils.